Everyone, welcome back to Traveling Days. Okay guys, today video we are here right now in Springhill Suites by Marriott, St. George, Utah, Washington City. Nandito po kami because I'm taking my grandkids and of course their parents is also here. Gusto daw po nilang pumunta sa mga area dito, yung just to see the Thunder Junctions, Dinosaur Museum, and I'm taking them back again to Cedar City. They want to go ahead and go to Brian Head. So, ngayon itutour po kayo. This video, I'm going to tour you around the perimeter of the hotel, kung ano ang amenities, of course, the hotel itself, kung ano ang itsura ng Springhill Suites Marriott. Disclaimer, hindi ko po pinopromote. I'm just trying to go ahead to let you know kung nasaan po ako lagi. Diba po? Lagi naman po ganun, diba? Sinishare ko lang po sa inyo kung saan po ako pumupunta, kaya nga po, travel and taste. So, ngayon po, let's go jump to the video and let's go walk around the whole area. Bye for now. I'll go ahead and put all the descriptions in the comments back, guys, kung ano yung what's the area where this is located at. So now and then whatever is your questions, please comment, share, and subscribe if you're new in this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Inuunahan ko na po kayo. Ilalagay ko na po yung thank you sa may aking prod, but I'm still gonna go ahead put thanks for watching sa may ending po. So I hope you're going to enjoy this video. Bye for now. As the front desk, you can use the card if you wanted to. That's it, we're done?
We're good.
We're good? We're gonna go to Starbucks?
Yeah, I told them we have our stuff, but I guess.
That was the only thing that we had cold.
We start looking for our room, checking in. My son said he's gonna go ahead check the whole room first.
Alright, before you check,
The light!
if you're bringing something in,
I got the lights!
you don't touch the lights.
Oh,
You want to set your stuff down in the bathroom.
Set your stuff down in the bathroom, Steven
Because
says.
it's the least likely place for bed bugs to be. So
Okay.
close the door.
And why is there no lights?
Keep getting texted. Okay. So then,
Here, I'll help you so you can do this. Any hands make work go faster or something.
alright.
Mom, I think there's two bathrooms if you want to get the other
Oh,
one.
is this second one? Where'd you know?
What's this room?
Is it joining?
No closet.
This is more than high on blankets.
What's that room?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Toilet is in one. And the other one is.
Oh, okay, so this is shower and sink, and then this is toilet only, which is convenient.
Yeah. So, okay, first thing we want to start with is you should get a light like on your phone or something,
Okay.
and check paintings.
Check
So they're
paintings?
usually like behind here. This is what the place will be. So you
Okay.
kind of want to like line it up so you can see.
Never check paintings.
Yeah. And we're not getting too crazy here. We're just checking for obvious because if they have it, it's gonna be
Obvious.
pretty good. Yeah. So we'll just check that stuff. Yeah, I don't know. That's what I read. They're behind there. So we're just looking real quick for like red or black dots. Generally, it's red.
Okay.
And then you want to check like light fixtures too, like around this area. I mean that's pretty flush, so that's pretty good. And I think that's, oh, the mirror, there's a mirror on the wall over there.
Well, no, it's just the way. Still. Nakalagay yan. And we have a rain shower head. Rain shower. Yan ho ang pinakabuo ng aming shower here sa bathroom ho namin. Dito naman ho, closet ho namin. Yan, closet ho yan. Nilagay ko na ho yung cover dyan kasi hindi namin use. Yan ho ang winawatch natin pag yung nag-check-in sa mga hotel na ganito. Like you have to use your own sheets. Yan ho ang ginawa namin. See, this is my own sheets that I put it in. Yan. I use my own sheet. Tsaka ho, nilinis ho namin yan. Mga anak ko, sterilizer, yung mga ganun po, kasi we have to watch out for that, diba po? And then ito ho ang likuran and views on from my room. Yan ho, views from my room. Yan ho, nasa 4th floor po kami. Yan, napakaganda po ang view. We have the view of the mountains and the golf course. At saka, bababa po tayo mamaya. Bababa po tayo. Pakita ko ho yung amenities at saka kung ano po ang makikita nyo sa buong Springhill Suites by Marriott. At the end of this hallway is we have the view of freeway I-15 and the mountains and the swimming pool, guys. There's the swimming pool. Jacuzzi right there in the corner and the swimming pool right there. We're gonna go ahead and go down here pretty soon. Fitness area today. Right now, fitness area. There's the freeway, guys, right there. Freeway, parking lot. We're going to Starbucks right now. We need some coffee. Starbucks coffee.